Your windshield is lying to you. It might look clean, but at night, you see glare, streaks, and oily haze everywhere. Today, I'm testing 5 Amazon bestsellers to see what actually makes car glass look invisible. And trust me, the final result is insane. You're watching Auto Rift. Let's get started. First up, invisible glass. This is one of the most famous automotive glass cleaners on Amazon, and honestly, the name fits perfectly. The biggest reason people get streaks is because most glass cleaners leave behind soap residue. This one doesn't. No perfumes, no dyes, no greasy finish, just clean glass. Right away you can see it cutting through fingerprints, dashboard film, and oily buildup in seconds. And because it's ammonia free, it's safe on tinted windows too. Already the windshield looks dramatically clearer, but now we're stepping into professional detailer territory. This is Koch Chemie Speed Glass Cleaner, and wow, this stuff feels premium instantly. It flashes fast, cuts through grease aggressively, and leaves almost no residue behind. This is the type of cleaner professional detailers use when they want perfectly clean glass before coatings or finishing work. Look at the difference under direct lighting. The oily haze is disappearing completely. Night driving visibility alone would improve massively after this step. But here's the truth. The cleaner is only half the battle. Most people are using the wrong towel. This diamond weave towel from the rag company completely changes the result. No lint, no fibers, no annoying smears left behind. That textured microfiber grabs contamination instead of dragging it across the glass. Watch this final buff. No pressure, no streaks, just perfectly sharp reflections. Honestly, this might be the most underrated part of the entire process. But now it's time for the most satisfying product in this video, Rain-X. This stuff is basically magic for wet weather driving. Instead of water sticking to the windshield, it instantly beads up and flies away. And visually, this looks absolutely insane. Look at the difference here. The untreated side looks flat and dirty, but the Rain-X side starts repelling water immediately. This is why people love hydrophobic protection. Better visibility, less wiper use, cleaner glass longer. And now, the final step. CarPro Clarify pH2 OBIC, and this honestly feels like luxury glass cleaning. The towel glides across the surface. No grabbing, no haze, no resistance, just insanely smooth glass. And look at these reflections. This is the first moment the windshield actually starts looking invisible. Even under harsh lighting, there's basically no oily film left anywhere. This looks like professionally detailed showroom glass. And there it is. 5 products later, this windshield literally disappeared. No streaks, no haze, no greasy glare, just crystal clear invisible glass. If you want the exact products I used, they're all linked below in the description. And if this video helped you, hit subscribe for more brutally honest detailing reviews and Amazon finds. This is Auto Rift, and I'll see you in the next one.